Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My ears itching. Somebody's talking about me. Wonder who it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be Boxycharm for April. So, I have the base box. So let's get into it and see what we have. Here's how it looks coming into me. I don't know which one I have yet. Let's see. Here is a little informational little paper for the makeup eraser. Did I get a makeup eraser? Well, we'll see. And here is our pamphlet for Boxycharm, which looks like festival vibes. Well, they probably had this planned out since last year, but as everybody knows, there's not anything like that. Everything's been canceled. It is so sad. Everything's been canceled. So to get my Boxycharm in is a little bit of a pickup. So I got variation 31. Guys, that's a lot of variations. All right, so let's see what I got. First thing I see is this box right here, and you are Battington lashes. I got lashes. Battington lashes, Harlow 3D silk lash with mini glue. 3D lash provides dramatic length, volume, and it mimics the growth structure of your lashes for the ultimate in natural glamour. These retail for $31 for a set of lashes, and guys, those are really pretty. I don't wear lashes a lot, but I do occasionally wear lashes. Like, this is my birthday week. If we were going out to eat somewhere special, I would have thrown on a pair of lashes. So we got a set of lashes. They retail for $31. That's already the price of the box. Next up, we have Iconic London Illuminator. A concentrated liquid shimmer that can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer. Simply used on its own for a super highlight glow. Every drop of the super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. This retails for $41, guys. $41. I'm not seeing a makeup eraser, so I don't think I got a makeup eraser, because I'm kind of cheating and peeking down in the box. All right, so does it give me a shade? It says original. So there is what that looks like. Ooh. Ooh. I bet it dries fast too. You probably got to get it on quickly. Ooh. It would probably do better with a sponge, but I didn't have a wet sponge nearby. So even after I picked up a bunch and put on my cheeks. Oh, mercy. Okay. So there is the Illuminator. Next up, I see the Professional. Guys, I have never... My lights is... Why is it flashing? Why are you flashing? It's the phone. It's not the light. The light didn't flash. It's on the phone. I have no idea. Anywho, I have never tried Professional. Never. The Professional Hydrate Primer. Hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. And guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Since I started using my Clarisonic, the large pores that were once on my nose, they're gone. And I didn't think that was going to be the case. But, yeah, the pores that were once like all across my nose, they're gone. I still have like some issues here, but the large pores that used to be in here, they're very minimized compared to what they used to be. And I contribute it to my Clarisonic. I don't know, but I can always use some pore minimizing primer. Benefit Cosmetics The Professional Hydrate Primer. It's a silky, smooth, hydrating face primer. Instantly moisturizes and refreshes skin and helps makeup stay put. It minimizes the look of pores and fine lines. Now, I am getting fine lines because, guys, I just turned 48. Believe it or not. Yes, I am 48 years old. It has the same oil-free, lightweight feel and pore minimizing power as the original. It is a 12-hour hydration, normal to dry skin. My skin is normal to oily, so we'll see how that works out. This retails for $32. So guys, right there is already 31 and 32. That's 63, 63, and 41. We're over $100 already. So I will try this. I want to see how it does on my skin. And are you sealed? It is sealed. So I'm not going to open it. I wanted to see the texture of it. But since it's sealed and I already have several primers going, I'm not going to open this because I want it to last till I'm ready to use it. So there is the Professional. Next up, we have brushes. Now, you guys know I'm usually very excited to get brushes. And I'm really excited to get these. And I'll tell you why in just a second. These are the Lavish 5-piece Neon Eye Brush Collection. A must-have, all-in-one, cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes that you need to achieve an everyday look or a more dramatic look. These retail for $41. Oh, this is the $41. What was the lashes? $30. My bad. I'm sorry. The lashes were $29.99. No. Shannon can't read. The Baddington lashes were $31. The Lavish 5-piece is $29.99. The Iconic London was $41. There we go, Shannon. You're getting it right. And the Benefit Cosmetics is $32. So we're up to $130. I can't read in order. That's what happens when you get old. So the reason I'm excited for these, because I've seen spoilers on these, is they're small. And I have a small eyelid. And I like those smaller brushes. That's why I have been using this little booger so much lately. This teeny tiny, look at that, little Luxie, because I have a tiny eyelid. So when I saw these were small, and a lot of people were like, oh, they're so small. I was like, yes, they're small. But look at the pretty color. That one's got like one little sprig right there I need to trim. Or it might just be loose. Yeah, it was loose. Okay, there we go, Shannon. So we got a liner brush that I probably won't really use. I got a shader brush, a taper brush, a fluffy brush, a spoolie, which I can always use. A spoolie. And guys, believe it or not, I did my brows the other day. And this eye did better than this eye, because this is usually the good eye. So I need to go back and redo that one a little bit. So I'm happy to have a new spoolie. I'm going to put it over here with my spoolie brushes. And then this little guy right here. Oh my goodness. These are going in my cup. I'll show you what... Oh, no, I gotta drop something. Palette that I used on my eyes, and this will probably go up tomorrow, is the little Natasha Denona palette in Lila. Looks like that. I want to see. I want to see this brush. There's the little blue brush. Oh, yes. I like. Because this one's a little fluffier than the Luxie. Why can't I talk today? I know why I can't talk. I've not had my coffee today. And then here is that blender. I'm going to go into, I believe this one's called Raisin. It's the shade in the middle. And that's perfect size. And now I'm going to come into that shade on the corner. Yep, I like this brush. I like this brush. Okay, I like all those brushes. But that is what is on my eyes. This look will be up tomorrow. And last, I think, in my box, yes, is the palette. And this was one of the items you got to choose. And of course, I chose the palette. So, I've never tried the Zoeva. Is that correct? Shannon, are you saying it correct? I don't know. Zoeva. And I got rose golden. Oh, I hope it's pretty. Because I know there were like 10 different palettes you could get. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, yeah, that's got Shannon wrote all over it. There's the little plasticky piece. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. So it looks like we have a matte shade and 2 matte shades here. And very neutral, and then all the rest of these are really pretty shimmers. So this looks familiar to me. This is reminding me of another palette, but I don't know what it is. I know what it is. These shades right here, these like neutral shades, are reminding me of that Pretty Vulgar, the one that looked like a bird cage. I decluttered that a long time ago, but that's kind of what this is reminding me of. These very gray neutral colors. But not these. These were not in there. So that's really pretty. I love. I hate to mess up pans. Oh, but look. You know I got to. Oh, they're so soft and smooth. Now, that is weird. That is like really weird. How is that happening? I need a tissue of something. Did I like stick my finger in the rose gold and then back into the gold? How is this gold shade turning pink? I don't understand. Give me a clean brush. Give me... It's pink. When you go into that gold shade, it's pink. How? Because see, I went into this shade on this finger, and then I went into the pink. It looked gold, but it was pink on my finger. I'm like, wait, did I double dip? How in the world? This brush was clean. This was a clean brush. Clean brush. Pink. How? This was gold. That is crazy. Okay, I just messed up all my brushes to show you it was pink. But I was like, how is that turning pink? It turned pink. I'm cleaning all these brushes off. I am so, like, confused. Okay, and I've done wiped that all over my jeans now. Because, like, there's the shades. Here's where I've been rubbing it all over my hand. Here's the middle one. It's like they're the same color. Okay, look. Middle one. This one. I'm so confused. Because this is the 2 right here. This is the 2. This one has more of a shimmer to it or something. I'm so confused, guys, on those 2 shades. I'm so confused. All right, let's try this one. That's gold. And that's a peach. And let's do this one. That's that one. I'm so confused on those 2. Pretty. I don't get it. This was gold when I looked at it. In the pan, it was gold. So, I can't wait to play with that and see what it does on my eyes. And this retails for $28. That's a really good price for that kind of palette. I mean, it's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pans, and it's $28. That's a really good price. Now I have eyeshadow all over my jeans. My hubby's gonna be like, what? All right, guys, that was actually a really good box. I was kind of, well, I'm not upset that I didn't get the makeup eraser. I've never tried a makeup eraser. So I was kind of hoping I got one, but I didn't. So it's okay. I got the brushes. I got the palette. I got the professional. I got the illuminator. This was a really good box. I mean, I'm really happy with it. And it's about $150. So cool beans with that. And I am like still in shock over those colors. I don't understand how that done that. But anyhow, as always, guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys on the next one.